Hi, myself Dr.Tharanitharan. This is the 8th video series of design of transmission element. In previous series we discussed about the design of flexible transmission like flat belt drive system, wheel belt drive system, and chain drive system. In rigid drive system we discussed the spur gear drive system, helical gear drive system, and warm on warm wheel. Next, in this session we are going to see about the very important belt drive gear drive system is rigid drive system is our bevel gear drive system. Bevel gear. What is the beauty of bevel gear? What are the comparisons between the spur gear, helical, and bevel gear? Means comparatively, the perpendicular power transmission drive system is we can use bevel gears. For example, prime mover shaft is like that. Your machine shaft is like this. Means this is a perpendicular power transmission. Here, the spur gear, helical, and warm wheel is not applicable. For the situation, we can recommend the bevel gear. Suppose the angle may from 0 to 90 degree. For any variation angle, we can prefer the bevel gear. We have a number of names by varying the angle of bevel gears arrangement. Meter gear, like that. We have a number of names in the bevel gear by varying the angle between the pinion bevel and gear bevel. This is the simple here in spur gear, helical gear, and warm wheel. We can say the distance between the prime mover and gear and machine gear is, we can say, the center distance. But here we can say the cone distance. This is a cone distance. You can say this is a pinion bevel gear and this is a gear bevel gear. This just give a trace like. You get the cone distance. Always the cone distance is represented by R. As like spur gears, we have addendum, dedendum, and all other parameters. As like our spur and helical gear, pitch diameter, outside diameter, pitch apex curve, crown. We can say our bevel gear is a semi-cone gear. So semi-cone arrangement is like crown. So bevel gear, we can say the name of the bevel gear is crown gear. So we can say this dimension as pitch apex to black, shaft angle, boot angle. We have a number of parameters we can have in the bevel gears. Uniform as clearance. These are all the other nomenclatures, other geometrical arrangement of bevel gear. Have different angles involved in the bevel and comparatively design wise bevel gear is more complicated. Manufacturability is somewhat little tough while manufacturing the bevel gears. You can say this is a straight bevel gears. These are the simple arrangements of straight bevel gears, semi-chrome gears. For example, we take a propeller shaft. For example, automobile application, perpendicular power transmission, we use the bevel gears. The propeller shaft, main shaft, parallel relationship is fully perpendicular. For example, take shaft 1, shaft 2. Relation is fully perpendicular. Here, bevel gears is recommended. At the same time, steering application also. Shaft and steering wheel is perpendicular. On that situation, we can recommend the bevel gears. So, for example, if angle is perpendicular, no worries. The better recommendation is you can use straight bevel gears. As like helical gears, for smoother operation, we also have one more varieties in bevel gears, spiral bevel gears. Here also have spiral angle of 0 to 50 degree. We will vary the, instead of straight teeth, we will vary the nature of teeth of by varying the angle. You get the spiral bevel gears. You can see the bevel gear arrangement is in the polar shaft. It's the real example. Most of the complete different difference between straight cavities and spiral cavities. In the spiral cavity, another one live example of spiral cavities. These are all some failures in the cavity while engaging